Hello guys, it's Julia here. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix a broken laptop. So as you guys can see, I have a Dell laptop right here, which when I open it, we see it's a Dell Latitude E6430. Now, this laptop does not work. Why? Well, let's just try to use it. So I'm going to plug in the power, which is just conveniently on the top of the laptop. You guys can see there are lights. Open it up. It's turning on. And then it like turns off and shows this. As you guys can see, it's blinking some lights and it's just not coming on. It's not doing anything. It's not working. If I turn it off, turn it on, it just keeps, it won't even turn off. Like, what? Okay, that's besides the point. Let's just open this thing up. Okay, well there's our problem. We don't have RAM. We need some of that. So, find the lowest gig RAM stick that you have. Or in this case, highest gig stick. This is only a 2 gig stick because it's all I have. So let's try to put this bad boy in here. It's kind of hard to get this in here sometimes. You just gotta really try to put it in there. You gotta really put that pressure. Hear the click. You know it's in there. Just bang this back on. Doesn't really matter. We're going to plug this back in. And it just turned off. What? Okay. It turns on and off. Is there lights over here? No. Okay. Turn on again. Why is it doing this? I am pushing the button. I just pushed it again. Maybe I turned it off. No. You're going to turn on. Freaking bang it. Hello? This stupid laptop, I swear. Honestly. Okay. Maybe this stupid stick right here is bad. You know, let's just grab another one. Let me just get it out of this bag. Okay. Another 2 gig stick, whatever. Put it in there. Freaking, that stick obviously just has problems. This is why you don't use bad sticks of RAM. Because it causes nothing but issues. And they should be snapped in half or thrown across the room. Alright. Will this work? Seriously? I switched the RAM. Why is it still not turning on? Do I need to freaking bang on it so it turns on? Is that what I need to do? It tries, but it just gives up. It has RAM. It should work. Like, that's what you need to boot a computer, is RAM. Like, sure, it doesn't have a hard drive, but, like, you don't need that. Sure, it doesn't have a CMOS battery because it went bad, but that's not required to boot. That's just required to save your settings, which it would just reset. But as you guys can see, when I'm turning it on, it's just turning off. Like, you know, honestly, screw this. You know, we're gonna do something better than this. We're gonna do something freaking better. I'm gonna throw this over here. Don't need that crap anymore. You know, how about this? Let's just go make some food, honestly. Let's just do that. Okay, we're back at Julia's cooking show where we're gonna be putting a cup of water into a bowl. Or should I say, a pot. Time to pour the pasta. And now I'm making some shrimp scampi to go along with our pasta. Honestly, it's a very delicious recipe and I highly recommend making it. It's very good. Anyways, that will do it for this video, so thanks for watching, hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I would like to obviously thank my channel members, which are Samir Yoshizawa, Dylan Veet, The Full Moon, Christian1739, Dude Prinny, Overgreen, Straw Tech 8, Zygvlogs, DJ1928, Cyclone, Krisk, Ritu, along with all of the other channel members that's been supporting me. I really appreciate the support, and it helps me make better videos. Anyways, that'll do it, thanks for watching, and bye-bye for now.